आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So the question is, if AI is equal to x minus AI upon mod of x minus AI for I is equal to 1, 2 up to n, and the condition is A1 is less than A2 is less than A3 is less than, and this goes up to AN. So basically A1 is less than A2 is less than. This is continuously increasing. Now we are given that if 1 is less than equal to m is less than equal to n, minimum n, then the value of L is equal to, we have to find this limit, that is limit x approaches to am, a1, a2, a3, and this up to an. We're having 4 options. We have to calculate the answer and then take which of the following option is the correct option. So what we are given in the question, we are given that capital A I is equal to x minus ai upon mod of x minus ai, correct? And we are also given that I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Also, we are given that A1 is less than A2 is less than A3 less than AN. Now, proceeding forward. Let us assume that this X, it is in the left neighborhood of AM. So, I'm saying let X be in left neighborhood of AM, that is small am. So, what then X minus AI would be less than 0 because it is in the left neighborhood of AM. So then it would be equal to 0, and this would be for I 1, 2 up to m minus 1, because it is less than 0, so it would be m minus 1. This is 1. Now proceeding forward, if this is the case, then we can say x minus ai would be less than 0. Yeah, I've written this. So in the next step, if it would be that if this is the condition, then we can say that AI is equal to x minus AI upon minus of x minus AI, which is equal to minus 1, for I is equal to m plus 1, so on, so up to n. And AI would be equal to x minus AI upon x minus AI. That is, the mod will be positive, which is equal to 1, for I equal to 1, 2 up to less than this m, that is m minus 1. Understood? Now proceeding forward. So if this was the case when x was in the left neighborhood of am, now let x be in right neighborhood of am. If this is the case, then x is equal to ai would be less than 0 for I is equal to m plus 1 up to n. So it would x minus ai would be less than 0 for I equal to 1, 2, 3 up to m. Therefore, we can say that capital AI is equal to x minus ai upon, this is a x minus ai upon minus of x minus ai, which is equal to minus 1, for I equal to m plus 1 up to n, and ai would be equal to x minus ai upon x minus ai. That would be 1 after cancelling, for I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to m. So one thing here is to be noted that when it was in the left neighborhood, it was proceeding up to m minus 1, and the next was starting from m. And here it is ending at m and it is starting from m plus 1. So there is the difference in the left neighborhood and the right neighborhood. So this is it. Now we can say that limit x approaches to am negative. So if limit x approaches to am negative, then what would be the value of a1, a2 up to an? That would be equal to minus 1 n minus m plus 1, and limit x approaches to am positive. That would be a1, a2 up to an. This is basically multiplication. So the value is equal to minus 1 to the power n minus m. So therefore we can say, since this is not equal to this, so therefore this limit does not exist. Therefore limit does not exist. Let us have a look at the option. So we can see that this is an option number C, that is does not exist. Therefore option C is the correct option. I hope this explanation is clear to you all.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।